How to uninstall apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to uninstall the application on Android, you can simply first launch the Play Store application and search for the application that you'd want to uninstall. And as you tap on the application, you can see there are two options, uninstall and open. So since we want to uninstall, you can just tap on uninstall. The next way is to simply go back and then make a long press on the application that you want to delete or uninstall from your Android, and then tap on app info. And as you tap on app info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of uninstall at the bottom of the screen. So you can just tap on uninstall and this will remove all your app data as well. So just tap on OK. And as you do that, there you go, it has been uninstalled. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.